This is exercise 2 of the intermediate Power BI training. This is going to pick up right where exercise 1 left off. At the bottom of the screen, you're going to see a tab that says page 1. Right click on that tab and select duplicate page. Next, we're going to select and delete the campus name and FTIC slicers up here. So one at a time, click on the slicer and press the delete key. You will notice that as you delete the slicers, the data in the visuals changes as well. Also, go ahead and delete the pie chart. Next, we are going to click on the term name slicer. We are going to delete term name and drag the category into the field. Now that we have a new slicer, we are going to select fall from the options. At this point, what we are looking at is the head count by campus for all of the fall semesters that are within the data set. In this video, we can see that it goes from 2017 fall to 2020 fall. Next, select your clustered column chart, and we're going to change the visual type from a clustered column chart to a line chart. This will make it easier to see the trend lines across the semesters. While you're at it, go ahead and resize the window so that you take up more of the canvas out to the slicer. At this point, you will notice that the information in the table down below is much harder to read because it's not organized. So what we're going to do is select the table, and we're also going to change this visual from a table to a matrix. Once we've done this, go to the right-hand side to the fields, and we want to change the location of term name and campus name. We want to move term name to the columns and campus name to the rows. And we can achieve this by dragging and dropping. Once we've done this, you want to go ahead and resize the matrix so that you can see all of the information at once without having to scroll. Next, go into the formatting options for the matrix. Go down to your subtotals and expand that out by clicking on it. We want to go to the column subtotals and turn them off. This way, we only see the total head count for each individual semester and not across the semesters. So now you will see the trend line for the head counts at each of the various campuses, or if you prefer to see it in a data table, you can look down below at the matrix. This is the end of exercise 2.